Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing video. I'll be unboxing this Reborn doll. So let's get started. Open it up and see which Reborn doll did we receive. Let's remove her and look at her. Just take her out this plastic. So this is the Reborn doll that we have received. So let's take this off her head. So here she is. She looks so cute. Has a very nice smile. Has red hair and blue eyes. It's very cute. The legs and hands. And here she is. She is very cute Reborn doll. She looks familiar because she is a twin. They're twins. So I showed you this one the last time. And here's her twin. What do you guys think we should name them? Let me know in the comments down below. So she came with pacifier and bottle, and it comes with a birth certificate as well. So these are the newest members of our Reborn family. They're very cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and let us know what you think their name should be in the comments down below. And please remember to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on the next video.